they always spoke Spanish when we were young children growing up. I remember this, I'm only speaking for myself, other brothers and sisters can speak for themselves, but because you're interviewing me, I will let you know that I didn't like being different. For me, it was embarrassing to live in America and having people around me speaking English, but having my parents speak Spanish to me. And I always remember saying to them, Mom and Dad, we live in America, let's speak English. You know, I didn't want to hear the Spanish. But I'm so thankful to God, and I wish that I could say that I speak it, but I can't. I understand everything in Ladino. I understand, I know all of the words. And I have taken some Spanish, and still, as a matter of fact, I'm learning it through Duolingo so that I know it, so that I can speak it eventually. It's a long, as you know, it's a long, slow process. Well, for me it is anyway. So it's something that I know that I want to do.